What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Force Induction Garage. We're here today going to see if I can figure out how to fix my fuel leak today. We've definitely came a long way. There's been a lot of hiccups doing this build. It's gotten crazy, but we're really close. It looks like once we figure out this fuel leak, once it's fixed, hopefully that'll be the last thing and we can finally turn the car on. So anybody that's watching, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, tap that notification bell, you can stay updated on the build, and let's get to it. Alright guys, so the leak is actually coming from this pressure line right here, the fuel pressure line right there. It's actually tightened down all the way. It doesn't tighten anymore, but it looks like it's slightly in an angle. So I'm gonna loosen this, take this guy out, see if I can straighten it out a little better, tighten it in and see what happens. Alright, so if you look at the line, it's actually going in sideways. So I'm gonna try straighten that out, tighten it down, and then we'll prime the fuel pump and see if we have no leaks. Alright guys, so I had to loosen this charge pipe just to get the line out, because it's a real tight fit. This line actually sits on here a little bit. When it's fully tightened, it's not as tight on here when this line is tightened down to the filter, but I did have to loosen this up to get the line out, and I probably won't be able to show you guys, but if you look in there, it actually did go on an angle. Let's see if I can show you guys. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to show you guys, but when I look in there, it actually is at an angle. So I'm gonna straighten it out as best as I can and see what happens. All right, so I did my best. I mean, it looks pretty good. I'm not sure. Tighten down the coupler here for the charge pipe, and yeah, wish me luck. Alright guys, so as you saw, that leak is actually really bad. I'm afraid that I might have damaged something inside the fuel filter, because there's an actual indentation from the line where the bubble flare is at, and it's kind of indented inside the fuel filter. So yeah, I think I might be no good on this fuel filter, so I might have to change up the fuel setup on this. Yeah, because that leak is really bad. I don't think I'm gonna be able to salvage the way it is now with the filter and all that stuff, so I will definitely keep you guys posted, and as always, keep on watching. I'll catch you guys on the next.